Да, Вертига, ни на чем я не планирую поднимать бабло. Мне хватает. Сейчас подойду.
This company has an airbag that goes around your head if you fall off your bike. These guys decided to see what would happen if you mount a gun to a Toyota Prius.
And power on, Pat.
They actually ended up shattering the entire windshield. This guy made a flying bathtub using drones and went to go get some food. If you take some steel wool and light it on fire, you can make a pretty cool light show.
Что там, жестко? Тып-тып-тып. Ебать.
Police horses are probably one of the
Бесит
bravest
качается, но я не
animals
буду
in
в
the
него
world.
играть прям.
These horses go through intense training to the point where they're not afraid of anything. Police horses are trained to remain calm in the event of fire, fireworks, or gunshots.
Draw my firearm, and I'm gonna fire.
Типа лошади, которые привыкшие к выстрелам и не триггерятся на них.
That's the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better. And I'll see you guys again
Качается.
very soon. Later.
Из игр что жду? Давай посмотрим, что жду. По-моему, я всего дождался, ничего не прошел.